Drivin Ivan here, and behind me, well, is a super sport Alfa Romeo Giulia, and this is just a regular Giulia with how many horsepower, Derek?
About 290.
Now that one's got a lot more. It's like 505.
Yes. Yep.
But it's raining, and I really want to see. I've reviewed a couple Giulias, but I want to see what the all-wheel drive's like. It's a Q4 2019. I'm going to take it out in the rain. I'm going to drive it. So let's go. This is going to be so awesome. Just a quick walk around it to show you. He's got, I think, is this aftermarket stuff you got on there, or did it come like that with the cool?
So the graphics are actually OEM Alfa Romeo.
Wow, that's cool.
It has a couple
beautiful wheels,
like calipers and pads. But
and by the way, since we're doing an Italian car, I just did a video on his dad Don's collection, and I'm just gonna dip in here a second and show you just absolutely outrageously cool Italian and German and American cars in here, and Italian cars with American engines. So that's a separate video. You'll see my interview with his dad, but I'm gonna hop in this thing, this 2019 Alfa Romeo Giulia, and it's a Q4 because it's just the perfect day for it in the rain. All right, Derek, should we go?
let's do it.
All right. Also see my review of this beautiful McLaren GT elsewhere on YouTube. Okay, inside, I think I might have actually stopped raining, which is good, but still the roads are going to be wet, and that's what I'm excited about because, like I said, I reviewed a couple of these, but I really want to see what Alfa Romeo's all-wheel drive system is like. I am intrigued, so let's go. Pressing the button there. Beautiful gauge cluster there. It's very sporting. I like, Alfa Romeo has been back in America since about 2017, did we say? And, I have like a Fiat 500C. I have Charlie Sheen's Fiat 500C, actually. I love Italian cars. Fiat Barchetta, Lancia, Delta Integrale I have. So watch all my Italian car reviews. Just search Drivin Ivan any car. But we're going to get going here, and Derek's going to hold the camera for me, which is cool. But let's see. You like the infotainment screen? What's it like to own this car? I imagine you've had it for a number of years.
You know what the best part about it? It is fun, it is sporty, but it is somewhat practical. It's got 4 doors, a big trunk. You can take it anywhere with all-wheel drive in the snow and the rain. I love it.
Wow, I can't wait to experience it. Okay, manual mode, it's wet as heck, and I'm just gonna mash it. Now it's, ooh, there we go, I maxed this out already, but, that's nice, and it kind of, gives you that kind of, the red line's amazing, and it was nothing but grip because, go ahead and take control of the camera there.
I got it.
It's rolling, and what it is rear-wheel drive until, which way did you say to turn?
I'd go right.
Right.
That's more fun.
And, so, it's rear-wheel drive until it loses a little traction, and then it wants me in third. Wow, this is really nice. The brakes are good. Yeah, I always like to test the brakes and everything before. I'm not going to go crazy, but the sound, Derek, it's nice.
Thank you.
It's nice. It's a good-looking car too. We're up around 4,000. It's just, that is awesome. It almost like it's got a turbo. It's like a wastegate or something. It doesn't really match the revs when you downshift, but it's a nice raspy. Here we're getting into a little bend here. He said it was nice and twisty up here. Wow, this is the sort of road that you want to experience. I was on the median just a little bit there, and I felt the indents in the road. Good feedback from this. It actually doesn't want me to down now. Now it let me downshift.
There you go.
Yeah. Wow. It's not a turbo?
It is.
It is okay. I was like, it's got to be it sounds like a turbo. So, wow, that's pretty cool. So, what is the actual engine? What is the engine?
It's a 2-liter, 4-cylinder, single turbo.
Wow. So that is awesome. I mean, I changed the turbo a bit back to stock in my Lancia Delta Integrale. That's a cool review to watch. Which way here?
Go right. Yep.
But that had this sort of same sound. This is amazing. I mean, it doesn't want me to. It's like so close to the, I mean, wow, Derek. No wonder you love this thing so much. Now, you know, I might drive that later, the Super Sport, which is the last one of the edition. They stopped, they're stopping selling them here?
Yes.
Or they're just stopping making that car?
The Giulia, as we know it, like in the platform it'll be in the next generation's coming out. This is the last of the current
But
one.
hopefully they're still selling it in America,
Yes.
right? So, but like, wow, that one is 500 horsepower and rear-wheel drive. What's that? I mean, that must be a monster. I've driven the Quadrifoglio, so I've driven the fast one, but what do you, I mean, this just seems so solid to me.
So
I mean,
this
if
car,
the weather's bad, you got to be in this one, right?
this one's fun to drive when the weather's bad and when it's raining out. And little secret, I have to be honest, the white car I just purchased and haven't even gotten through the break-in period, so we haven't been able to enjoy it as much.
It's funny. Let's see, I'm gonna go ahead and gear down to second there. I just want to hear that over and over and over again. It's so amazing. So, yeah. Like I said, for more on these Alphas, I could do this all day, believe me. But this is supposed to be just a quick drive. And I have 2 full reviews of the Alfa Giulia, so check those out. I also have a review of the Stelvio, too. And my Maserati Spider, I have a whole buyer's guide on those. Check that one out, too. But I am extraordinarily impressed with this Alfa. Oh, jeez. I could just listen to that all day long. But the grip in this, I was not really expecting to be as impressed as I am. I'm like, it's going to be Italian all-wheel drive. Who knows what that means? Like, you know, but I should have known because my Lancia Delta Integrale it's got an amazing amount of grip, especially for 1988. It's the first one, the 8-valve, and the turbo, it's got all those sounds. It's more loose than this because this is, of course, but you know, it's got a shorter wheelbase too. But this car, this Q4, I would have one of these. It's amazing. I love the added security of the all-wheel drive, and I love that it's a driver's car because it's only all-wheel drive when it senses that you need it. And that is the best of all worlds. An amazing, amazing introduction to Alfa Romeo's all-wheel drive. Like I said, I've already experienced my Lancia Delta Integrale. Check that review out. Check out all my car reviews, Beatles in London and Liverpool video, U2 in Ireland, and all my music videos. I play guitar and drums and all that stuff on songs like Hotel California. I just did Maggie May, where I play even the mandolin, like Losing My Religion on REM's song. So check all those videos out too. Disc golf too, another great sport, which I probably won't be playing today in the rain, but there you go. Thank you so much to Derek. Check out the video of his dad's car collection. Absolutely incredible, spectacular collection. And thank you so much for watching. Getting ready to go for another high acceleration run. I am Drivin Ivan. Here we go. Love it, Derek. It's awesome.